Hi friends, we are in the 7th Healthy Building Congress presented by Ashrae Monterrey chapter. For this interview for all the public of Refrinoticias al Aire in Mexico, USA and Latin America, I meet up today with Marwa Zaatari, Ashrae distinguished lecturer, and on this event representing the company Aircare de Mexico, and with Paula Segovia, president of Ashrae Monterrey chapter. Please, Paula, talk, for all the public of Refrinoticias al Aire, talk us about all this great event with all the people who come here for know about the optimization of energy efficiency and interior air quality. And Marwa is presenting minutes before a very good conference about this theme. Please, for all the people.
Thank you, Roberto. Yes, well, this year we decided to do a Congress on healthy buildings, aligning with Bill McQuaid's theme of the year, which is Ashrae President. And we decided to involve a little bit of more architects, maintenance people, students, teachers, for everyone to know the importance of having a good indoor environmental quality, not just because of a standard, but because health is our priority right now. Have healthy buildings and have also healthy buildings to have a healthier world.
Thank you, Paula. And Marwa, please, talking about your great presentation about the optimization of energy efficiency and interior air quality through the Ashrae ERQ procedure 62.1. Please, for all the public.
Sure. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for having me. It has been a great visit so far. I just finished doing a presentation about Ashrae Standard 62.1, optimizing indoor air quality and energy efficiency. Well, this standard is has two procedures to calculate mechanical ventilation rates. The first one, prescriptive approach, called the ventilation rate procedure. The second one is the indoor air quality procedure. It's a performance-based approach that allows you to achieve your indoor air quality goals, but not at the expense of energy, and not the expense if the outdoor air was actually polluted. So you can do this calculation and take credit for ventilation, but in addition to source control, filtration, and air cleaning. You can see what works for your project, but you can absolutely achieve healthy or high indoor air quality with doing energy efficiency optimization.
Thank you, Marwa. We are in a big city. You know, Monterrey is a big city with a lot of problems with pollution.
Yes.
The interior air quality, what is your vision about that for this type of cities and the people who take care about this problem, which is not only for the industry, it's a problem present in the homes, in the life of the people.
Yeah.
Please, talking about that.
Yeah. Well, this is a very important question. Monterrey is polluted city, right? And it could be seasonal pollution, but you see it visually. And it's common in industrial cities, growing cities, economies where it depends on industrial processes. Unfortunately, outdoor pollution is a big and very important topic, and we don't pay attention to it because people feel, it's outdoors and I'm indoors, I'm protected. But the idea is that you are going to be subjected to outdoor pollution indoors because we do mechanical ventilation, for example. Yep. The idea is that you have to filter it properly, calculate for it properly, and it could be pollutants like particulate matter and like ozone. In commercial buildings, we have mechanical ventilation, but unfortunately, for example, in our homes, even where I come from the US, we don't have proper filtration, we don't have mechanical ventilation. So you have to take care by getting, for example, air purifiers. So HEPA, MERV filters, or MERV and a fan that actually works to remove pollution. The most important pollutant is particulate matter 2.5 micrometer or less, or known as PM 2.5. It impacts your health, short-term, long-term, responsible for many different cardiovascular diseases, lung cancer, even new research show loss of productivity. So we must consider outdoor pollution, consider that ventilation or outdoor air is no longer fresh air. It's sometimes fresh air, but most of the time it's not. And also, if we must get outside air because we have to get building possibly pressurized, we must filter it and account for it. For homes, we must include purifiers as well, because there's infiltration of outside air.
Yeah. As Marwa says, Paula, the air filtration is very important point of this problem. Aircare have all this great line of air filtration. Please talking about these solutions for the people, for the industry, for the homes. What kind of solutions our friends would find with Aircare, please?
Well, we manufacture air filters, every efficiency from metallic filters to HEPA filters. So we design based on each client's necessity. We also have the air purifiers where, for example, here in Mexico, a lot of homes have mini splits, and mini splits do not have correct air filtration. It's not even a filter, if you agree with me. So you need to add these type of portable air filters, which is the air purifiers, and that brings the PM 2.5 or air contaminants to lower and to have a better air quality indoors. And we also complement in some projects with UV disinfection, which also helps us to have a lower air pollutants in the air. And it's very important also for everyone to note that 90% of our time we spend indoors. So if it's contaminated outside, it doesn't mean that inside you're safe. Sometimes it's even worse, 2 to 5 times even worse. So just like water, you wouldn't drink dirty water without a filter. Why are we breathing air without a filter?
Yeah, it's a very, very good point. And according to your vision, Marwa, what is the future of indoor air quality?
Sure. So we need to prioritize indoor air quality. Like Paula said, which I totally agree with, we expect to have clean water, right? We expect to have the basic amenities, for example, electricity. So we need to come to have indoor air quality, infrastructure, and focus on it. I believe that indoor air quality is, if not more important, equal footing of all the energy efficiency and decarbonization. And the best strategies is to design for both, put both at the design table. And this is the way that we design, but also have to take care of our operation. We need more basically education for the buildings that actually are operating our building. What is it like indoor air quality design intent of purifiers, of filters, of outside air, for example, so they can operate per that and maybe put metrics and bonus plan based on operating per indoor air quality. And the big vision here is I want to go in a space and know that the indoor air quality is good, right? We go in an elevator and you see a certificate of compliance, right? I want to do the same thing for indoor air spaces, specifically where it matters most, for example, in schools, could be in public buildings, long-term cares, hospitals. We need to know, and you measure and and then you can basically act on it.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you and congratulations to Ashrae Monterrey chapter for this great event. I see a lot of people have very interesting conferences about all the conferences, all the topics takes on here on this event is great for the people, because we know that air conditioning, refrigeration, filtration, ventilation, it's a very, very important part in everyday life of the people. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends, for visit us here in Monterrey, Mexico, with the Ashrae Monterrey chapter. Please visit the page of the website of Ashrae Monterrey chapter, because the chapter have every month very, very good topics and very good conferences about these great themes for HVAC and our industry. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, friends.